If you're a Christian who wants to make money online, you gotta know these 4 things. I started watching Alex Hormozi about 3 years ago. I spent 6 to 7 hours every day watching his stuff, and now I have a coaching business and I help people, Christians specifically, get coaching clients and start their coaching business. I have also helped Nick. He spent 4 months, nothing, totally dry, no sales, no clients, and then we spoke, and 2 days later, he made $5K take-home commission. All he did was we talked and then we figured out what he had that was his problem and we worked through it. And 2 days later, he made $5K. Crazy stuff. So these are the 4 things that you need. 1, you need to know what you're helping people do, what you're offering, what your selling point is, what you help people go from point A to point B. You gotta know what that transition is. So if you help people get a 6-pack in 30 days, or if you help Christians get coaching clients, that's what you need to know, your main offer. And you can use this framework. I help who get dream. And if you want to get really fancy with it, just say without pain, whatever pain they're going through. And you can do this in one of 4 areas, whether that's health, wealth, relationships, or pain avoidance. So health has to do with health coaches or fitness coaches, helping people like with knee pain or working to get on abs or something like that. Wealth has to do with money. So it's like helping businesses get clients, helping Christians get coaching clients, or that's helping people make $10,000 a month, something like that. Number 3 is relationships. This has to do with like helping people get over their divorce and cope with that, or it's helping people find a partner that sticks for life, something like that, that people really value in relationships. Number 4 is pain avoidance. This is avoiding something that people really don't want in their life. Whether that is knee pain, you can avoid that, or you can avoid emotional pain having to deal with like grief after the loss of a loved one, or pain of like you just feel bad because you can't play guitar or something like that, and you just want to cope with that emotion. People will pay for that if you show them that their dream is strong enough and their pain is deep enough. So I promise, you know something that's valuable to other people, and you can make a business out of it. You just got to spend all your time doing item number 2, which is marketing. Telling people that you exist. Once you know what you help people with, you can test it by asking 10 people, maybe 20 people, what they think of it. Now these are people that can be anyone, or can be people specifically that you want to help that you can follow up with later. But number 2 is where you spend most of your time, 80% of your time in your business, is telling more people that you exist. Because if no one knows you exist, you can't be a coach. I tried to do that for way too long. And now that I've learned that if you spend 80% of your time telling people, 10% of people are just gonna buy. So if you just tell more people, you're gonna win. So just tell people, and I promise you'll make money. Just try it. And you don't have to be sleazy in the way you do it too. You can be genuine. You can even help people for free and use that as a lead magnet for people. Because if you help people for free, they'll be like, wow, what is this guy's paid program like? And that leads me to number 3, which is your sales. You gotta be good at sales. You gotta know how to help people overcome their mental blocks that they think they can't do it. And once you do that, you just say, yes, I can help you in those areas that you don't know what to do in. It's $10,000, but I can help you, I promise. That's it. That's all you do. You talk about their pains, their dreams, what they've tried so far. You walk them through that process, and then you say, yes, I can help. That's all that sales is. You can even coach people for free. Say you've got problem number 1, like if you want to help people get started on working out, get started on a coaching business, get started on finding a partner, setting up their dating profile, figure out something that people want, give it away completely for free, solve that problem completely, and overwhelm them with the value you're providing. And then your coaching is solving problem number 2 that becomes available once they've solved problem number 1. So you can't just help people. You don't even have to do sales. That can be your sales, is helping people. And then you transition into helping them with the next thing as you're coaching. Number 4 is just be really good at coaching. And if you're really good at coaching, people will come to you looking for your information and your help for free. You don't have to go out there and do the marketing because word of mouth will spread. And that is the most powerful thing. That's why Amazon reviews are so popular. That's why you look at them when you go to Amazon to try to buy something. You want to know what other people have to say before you invest in something. And if you can get enough people like Nick, who made $5K 2 days after we talked, or Noah, who got 3 clients in his first week, you can actually help people more, because you'll have the proof that you can actually do it. And so if you want a shortcut and you want to bypass the 3 years of learning how to coach and how to market that I went through, click the link in the description.